Words slowly lead me to the cracks in my disguise. My flesh a prison for the man behind these eyes. I sing the epitaph for an unnamed king. Carved in this tombstone are the lost pieces of me.
How far is the distance between you and I? How long before this silence dies? Lost in a sea of sadness, blind in this place of darkness. If I fall, would you be there to raise me up? Or will I be the forgotten one?
Lead me to the crossroads, I can find my way home. Devils on my back and angels in between. The scars and dreams that made me believe. Where's the choir sing now in remembrance of me?
When our eyes meet, do you know the man beneath? Walk the line between desperate and redeemed. Lost in a sea of sadness, blind in this place of darkness. If I fall, would you be there to raise me